We are currently sitting at a chilly 59 degrees, cloudy skies, humidity at 76%, but those winds coming now out of the north-northeast at 14 miles per hour. A cold front did come throughout the UP over the last couple of hours, and that tumble has been hard hit into those 50s and 60s all day long, 66 in Ontonagon, all the way down to Florence and even down into Menominee, 67 degrees in Ironwood, 60 in Houghton. Towards the east, still slightly warmer into those 70s, 75 in St. Ignace, 72 at the Sioux, but cooling off into those mid-60s in Munising and Manistee. So that cool down really taking its shape already throughout the region. Winds out of the north at around 10 to 15 miles per hour, 12 in Escanaba, 10 in Iron Mountain, a little bit lighter in Houghton at 7 miles per hour. So in the last 24 hours, it's not just the UP already seeing that cool down, it's also already starting to spill into parts of northern lower Michigan. 15 degrees cooler in Oscoda than it was at this time on Tuesday, but the biggest drop has been in Marquette, 23 degrees cooler, 21 in Iron Mountain in second place. So through the next couple of days, we're still going to continue to see some of these cooler temperatures, about a good 10 to 15 degrees below average for early August standards all the way through Friday. In the meantime, though, we will introduce another batch of showers pushing in sometime late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, so make sure to have that umbrella with you. Pushing into Friday, we'll begin to see an improvement in that weather as sunshine begins to sneak in for the first half of the weekend. So in the meantime, a couple of showers and thunderstorms already flaring up associated with the cold front as it sags its way through the Mid-State, already close to Saginaw Bay and extending just over into Manistee, and this will continue to push further towards the south as we push towards the evening. But for us here in the UP, thick deck of clouds really acting as a blanket, not really allowing for any heat to come in, but also not any heat to come out later on tonight. So temperatures are not going to be swinging too much as well. So already a dip in the jet stream, that's a trough, and that's really going to allow for that cool air to just really settle in for the remainder of the work week. So for tomorrow, more of that cooler air spills in towards the south, now into parts of Nebraska as we deal with storm number 2 developing in parts of the Mississippi Valley and pushing its way into parts of the UP. Thunderstorms more of a threat as we push towards Chicago and even into parts of St. Louis. So for tomorrow, you're just going to see an increase in those clouds throughout the day. Sometime around the late afternoon into the evening, that's when we're going to see the showers begin to really crank up into the nighttime hours. That's when we're going to see the brunt of that rain, and then tapering off sometime by late Friday morning, and then sunshine returning as we go into Saturday. So that's how the next couple of days are going to go. Just a bit of a bumpy ride there, and also the fact that temperatures are going to be noticeably cooler than what we experienced throughout the first half of the week. So we went from pretty much August and July weather to pretty much September to October weather in a matter of 24 hours. For tonight, 50 degrees, a mixture of clouds with some moonlight, winds out of the north at 10 miles per hour. So we're going to see a bit of that decrease in the cloudiness, but it's going to be very short-lived. Afternoon scattered showers, eventually becoming more widespread by tomorrow night. Temperatures at 66 degrees in Houghton, 67 in Crystal Falls, 61 in Ontonagon. Warmest temperatures towards the east, 69 in Manistee, and then the extended outlook warming up into those 70s by the weekend, but rain chances also return as well. Only dry spot is on Saturday, so make sure to focus all your activities if they're outside for that particular day.